So, back at it with another video of the Z4 project. So, there is a valve cover that is used, and it has been cleaned up. It's right here. Now that is going to be replacing this one. This one actually has a couple cracks in it, and in effort to stop the leaking, we thought we might as well replace it with that one, which doesn't have cracks. So, I'm going to take this off and take off this little bit here. This is an old shop vac, and we're just going to clean out all the crap in there from all the leaking, just to see how that goes. Alright, well, time to go do stuff. So, some viewers may be interested in why a used valve cover. Well, it's simply price. A new valve cover, which in all honesty it is not worth it on this car, is worth $126. Now that came from a local U Pull-It lot and cost $10. So, yeah, I think that's a good deal. And that is that. So the battery was dead. It is currently charging right now, but the valve cover and the valve cover seals are on. So hopefully they work. And if they don't, oh, I'm in big trouble. That's another $60 seal. But hopefully it worked, and it probably did. Anyway, guys, if you liked the video, leave a like, favorite, and subscribe. And if you did not, well, that sucks. I don't care.